Welcome to WhatGear. Consider subscribing if you like smartphone reviews and loads of other tech related stuff. But today I'm here at the Huawei booth at the IFA. I'm going to give you guys a little bit of a guided tour around the booth so you can see all the new stuff that they just launched. You ready? Let's go. Alright, so these are Gentle Monster Huawei glasses, and actually what these things have got are speakers in the arms here, and there's actually bone conduction sensors at the ends as well. And as well as that, it's got touch controls on the sides, so you can actually bring up Google Assistant through your sunglasses. And if you're wondering why I'm wearing this particular pair, because it's not the one I would choose, it's because it's the only one they got on demo. But they got some really cool ones over there. They look like Tony Stark glasses from Spider-Man. Pretty awesome. But these are the Gentle Monster sunglasses. Pretty cool. Sound quality is actually pretty awesome. And they've also got microphones as well, so you can actually have a conversation through the sunglasses. So one of the big announcements coming from Huawei at IFA 2019 is this. It's the new Kirin 990 processor. It's a flagship chip, 7nm. They've managed to make it smaller. One of the big differences between this and the other flagship processors out right now is the way that they've actually added their Belong 5G modem into the single chip. So there's not a separate modem now. It's all in one place. It's 36% smaller than other chips to do the same thing. So that means more space for batteries, more space for maybe a headphone jack. And as well as that, they've improved the GPU as well. So there's more cores on the GPU, which means more gaming power. But anyway, let's move on to the next thing. All right, so another announcement for Huawei keynote speech at the IFA is this new colors of the Huawei P30 Pro. This one's the pink one, and they've kind of got this two-tone look going on. There's also a really nice blue one as well, which they've just launched as well. And at the moment, I've actually got a P30 Pro, which I think is really awesome. I'm going to be comparing it to the Galaxy Note 10 Plus as well, so stay tuned for that video. That's coming very, very soon. Make sure you turn on your notifications and subscribe for that. Anyway, let's move on. So here's a question for you. Do you have problems with your Wi-Fi in your house? And this is really a problem that some people have, especially if they have big houses where the Wi-Fi is great in one area, drops out in the other. Well, this is the new Huawei Q2 Pro, and it's the answer to that problem. So basically what it's going to do is add more SSIDs to your property. So around your house you can have one of these, a main hub, and then some of these which go into your wall sockets. And I know you've probably seen stuff like this before, but this is much faster than the other solutions out there because it actually uses the earth cable as well. So you can get up to 200 megabits per second through your already wired up house with your power lines going throughout. So it's a really good solution. You can have loads of these all on that one network, which means full signal no matter where you are in your house. So this is another new announcement from Huawei, and I already made a separate video about these. These are Huawei's answer to the Apple AirPod 2s, and actually these are way better. They got the Kirin A1 chip, better battery life, better sound, and active noise cancelling. Eat that, Apple. So that's been my quick tour of the 2019 IFA Huawei booth. Some really awesome stuff in here. Let me know in the comments below which thing you're most excited about. And one of the things I'm most excited about is the Kirin 990. Super interested to see how powerful this thing's going to be. And I heard through the cameras on a device with a 990, it can actually read your heartbeat through the camera itself. That's crazy. Anyway, I'll see you in the next one. Don't be late.